Hi, I wanted to make this little welcome video to welcome you to the class, give you some sense about me as an instructor, and also how to move through the Google Classroom and how the class will basically work. So first of all, my name is Rick Cook. I am your instructor for this class. I am a adjunct instructor at LCC, and I also am a associate professor at Ferris State University. So that's where you're getting this class from, is through Ferris State University. The class is first year composition, which is an extremely common class. It's taught, in fact, it is the most taught class in the college world. There are more sections of this class than any other section. I taught this class at the University of Michigan, which is where I graduated with my bachelor's degree. I've also taught it at Michigan State, which is where I got my master's degree, and Grand Valley, which is where I got my specialist. And I've also taught a section at Central Michigan University. So I have a lot of experience teaching this class in a wide variety of places. And that's valuable for you because I know all of you are going to take this class and go to a wide variety of places. I have not found a college where this class does not transfer. In-state, out-of-state, wherever students want to go, this class has transferred, and it's required for all degrees. So it's a good idea to get this done and out of the way. We will be using Google Classroom, and here's the Google Classroom code, which actually, if you're watching this, you've already got into the class, but just in case you need to see it again, if we ever need to meet, the Google Meet link will be right here. In fact, I'm going to generate it in this video. So there it is. That's where we can meet virtually. The classwork for the class is organized by weeks. So here's your week 1 tasks. You'll notice it's all watch, read, watch, read, respond. And in the weeks usually end with some kind of question or submission of writing. Besides the weeks, there will also be a big section of class materials. You should actually start there when you start the class, read the welcome letter, look at the syllabus, and complete the student survey. And then after that, you will work your way through week 1. This is in order, but if you want to check the order, you can always go to the syllabus and the course schedule, and that brings up this document, which is the syllabus. It's got all the information in it that'll be important to you for the class, how you're graded, what we do, my philosophy, all of those kind of things. And most importantly, down here towards the end is a rough schedule, and I'll make a to-do list every week. Okay, so here's your first to-do list. There's 14 items to do in the first week. There's only 7 to do in the second week. I don't put out the whole class out there because I don't want students going through it just as fast as they can. It's not an asynchronous class. It's a class that we go through together. So that's a really important document for you to read and look at. Another really important thing in here is that it has my office hours, the times every week I'll be available for you to get help, depending on which section you're in. So PCTA is 8 to 9 on Mondays. PCTB is 8 to 9 on Thursdays. And we will work through the class, you can look through this list and find your section to see which office hours are yours. It's very important that you contact me if you need help. It's critical that you communicate a lot for a class that's mostly a virtual class. The easiest way to communicate me is my Ingham ISD email. So rcook@inghamisd.org is really where you need to contact me if you need some help. So that's just a quick run through, a little bit about me and my experience, and also how to get started in the class. So go to classwork and start working your way through the class materials, and then the 14 assignments, which is mainly videos, some reading, but mainly videos, where you develop some of your ideas for expository writing, which is the topic of the class, how to write expository essays. Good luck and have fun.